Imagine uploading your PDF, notes, research paper, YouTube videos, or lesson plans into one AI tool and then can asking question directly from your own data. Not random internet answer, not generic AI response. Your own personalized AI assistant. That's exactly what Notebook LM does. And honestly, after using it for a few days, I genuinely think this could be become one of the most useful productive tools in 2026 for educators. So hey everyone, my name is Himanshu Kumar and I'm a teacher and someone who loves exploring modern tools that improve the productivity and learning. Recently I started using Notebook and trained specifically. So let me explain this very simply. The Notebook LM is an AI powered notebook developed by Google. So you can upload PDF, Google Docs, research paper, notebooks. So let me explain this very simply. First, we will open the Notebook LM and understand what is it. So this is our home page of Notebook LM. You need to simply click on try Notebook LM, and when you click, so I have already logged in my Notebook LM account. You just need to log in through your email ID. So simply go on this Notebook LM page and simply tap on create new. So it will create you a notebook. See, so you can simply search your topic, whatever you want to research about. Like for example, I'm a science teacher, so I'm taking a topic photosynthesis. Here they just need simply to enter the topic. You can also upload your files, you can give the website links, you can upload the data in the drive also, and you can research on ChatGPT and copy the text. So simply I am taking my topic, that is photosynthesis for grade 2. So simply I have given the topic to my notebook. I will name my notebook to the grade 2. So here you can see the Notebook LM has researched so far, and it has added so many resources. So I will gonna import them into my sources. You can also click on add sources and add your sources whatever you have and you want to go deep into. So now simply I will give a question here that create a lesson plan for 35 minutes for this topic for grade 2. So you can see I have simply given a topic to the Notebook LM and it is just drafting the lesson plan and refining its lesson structure, and it has made so fast. You can see it has given the grade level, time, objective, the material needed, the introduction, how you can start your chapter, the examples, instructions you can teach the chapter. Also it have the activities, evaluation, closing. So there are some features of the Notebook LM which you must know. The first feature is the audio feature. You can simply complete your the first feature is audio feature. You can completely make your entire book into an audio book and you can listen it as a podcast, or you can do more than that. You can upload so many sources of the text file and PPTs, PDFs, whatever you want to like to add, and then it will convert into audio. You have also seen that some students are auditorial learners, like they are differentiated learners. They need specific environment to learn things, so they can easily learn through this audio type. The second is this slide. So for this chapter I am just again gonna give the prompt create 10 slides for teaching students. So I have simply given a prompt, and as you can see it is again doing the research, and you can see in the studio it has started the slide deck. It has started my making PPT. So after some time the PPT will be ready. Till then we're gonna explore the more feature of it. You can also create the video for this chapter. entire chapter, you just simply click on the video and this whole text version will be converted into an animated video. There are some video styles also you can explore, like in which format you want your video. You can also specify things in the video, like what should it focus on. So there are different features. You can click and generate your video. The next is the mind map feature. The mind map feature draw the structure of whole data you have given in a simplified form, a tree structure form, a mind map that can be easy to learn. This is very helpful for the 12th biology students. The next is report, flashcards, quiz, infographic and data table. If I click on infographic, it will if I click on infographic, it will generate a highly modified 4K resolution infographic image of this chapter, which is easy to learn and engage your students. The other feature of this notebook LM is quiz. You can give you can make the quizzes for your students in a very interactive way. Also, it has report writing and data. It can simply sort your data also. So the two slides are being generated. So after some time I'll show you the slide the notebook LM had made, and you will be surprised seeing those slides. So as you can see, the slide and infographic image that I was telling you earlier is now completed and we're gonna see it. So first we're gonna see this infographic image which notebook LM has made for grade 2 students. See how beautiful it had made. So this is what notebook LM does, making your teaching more effective. You can see the image and the result. This is the real result of this notebook LM. This can engage a student and make your classroom so vibrant, where every teacher, where every students wanna learn. Next is the slides we have made. We also see that. See, for grade 2 students, these are the slides which notebook LM has made. So welcomes to Nature Kitchen, the magic story of how plants grow and make their own food. See the slides, the design, the presentation. It is to be honest, it is very good for the teachers. See, more and more students will definitely want to engage with this content, and they also want to read it, find it, and getting learned from it. So these are our notebook LM feature which I wanted to share with my fellow, so they can also make some upgrade in themselves. Thank you so much.